Being placed in the correct math for your skill level is imperative for success in math and general engineering. The Clemson Math Placement Test, or CMPT, is our main tool for math placement. Taking the CMPT seriously is the most important thing you can do to prepare for orientation, where you will build a schedule for your fall courses in which you can be successful. You're probably asking the question, how do I take the CMPT seriously? Here are some tips that will help you out. Make sure you're in a quiet room. Tell your family and friends that you're about to take an important test and cannot be disturbed. Shut the door. Remove all outside distractions. Turn off the TV and your phone. Try to complete the test in one sitting. It should not take more than 2 hours. If it does, that's fine, but try not to stop and restart the test even though it says you have 24 hours to take it. Remember that if you do not know a concept, this is an indicator that there may be certain prerequisite skills missing from your skill set that your professor will assume you have. The CMPT is designed to determine your level of current knowledge. Do not use any other resources. That means no calculators, no Googling answers, no asking mom, dad, or other family members or friends for help. They aren't going to be taking your math class for you this fall. Plan to take the CMPT now or as soon as you can. If you need to wait, take it no later than a week before your scheduled orientation session. This will help the advisor you work with at orientation register you for the correct classes. If you have already taken the CMPT and know your score, or just want to understand the scoring, here's how you should interpret it. A score of less than a 65 places you in pre-calculus, which is Math 1050. You will not be able to take calculus or your first engineering course. These courses are taken in the first semester of the general engineering curriculum, so essentially you'll be an entire semester behind in the general engineering program. A score of between 65 and 79 places you into half-pace calculus, which is Math 1040. You will be able to take your first engineering course, but because you cannot complete the first calculus course in the fall, you will still be a semester behind in math. A score of 80 or greater places you into Calculus 1, which is Math 1060. You will be right on track for the general engineering curriculum. So, with a score of less than 80, you will need to plan to take summer school next summer to get back on track. If you score less than 80, we highly recommend you retake the CMPT to try to improve your math skills. You can take the CMPT up to 4 more times for a total of 5 attempts. Rework the modules in ALEKS before retaking the CMPT. The first retake requires a minimum of 5 hours of additional module work. ALEKS is an adaptive learning tool, meaning that when it determines you need work on a particular skill, it will help you focus on that skill and better understand it so you will be able to improve your performance on the CMPT. So, when working on the learning modules, understand that the set of problems being presented to you are specifically designed to help you improve your score. Pay very close attention to the learning module material. It is customized to fill a void in your understanding. You have a minimum of 72 hours between attempts, which gives you plenty of time to work in ALEKS. If you have any questions, please first view the FAQ tab once you log on to the CMPT website. There are answers to common questions incoming students usually have. If the answer to your question is not there, contact information is listed for your convenience. It is best that you follow up via your Clemson email. We're looking forward to seeing you at orientation in the coming weeks.